Good morning, day. Is it day 3? We just woke up and opened up our room, and it looks like we're pulling into Ketchikan. It looks like it's raining.
It's cold this morning.
And cold, yeah. The outlet store.
Hmm?
So it's the outlet store. There's something on top too. What does it say?
Miners gems.
Ooh, yeah, we're getting close to the tourist trap.
This is a tourist trap right here.
Ketchikan Mining. And it has a Harley Davidson badge underneath. Yeah, we're getting to the main part of town now. I don't know if these are hotels or lodges up there, but there's really cool, like houses. Oh. Although we're eating in a lodge, and we're doing that crab feast.
Oh God, I hope I can do it.
You better do it. It's actually not cold. I'm not hearing my barefoot in socks and shorts. So I just missed this toss on camera. Somebody from the boat checked out like a little anchor line, and he went over and grabbed it. And I guess they're gonna pull us in. So does that mean we're docking right here? And if that's the case, how do we get all these old people, including myself, to the dock? Because that's really high, and then there's a ladder that leads down to the bottom. Unless, oh man, I have no idea. Yep, he's wheeling us in. That one man is pulling in an entire cruise ship. Zoom in on him. Yeah, there he goes. He's pulling us in. Very strong people. Ooh, what's that? Okay, now 3 of them are getting into it. It takes 3 guys to pull us in. I'm dumb. Tammy pointed out to me that we're a really long ship, so we're going to empty out right there at some lower decks and then go up there. But this is where we get souvenirs. Look, boom, immediately. Look at this church.
I know.
And the houses are nice. Cool. What do they call the pontoon plants?
Pontoon.
And somebody's yacht. Is it plural? And looks like there's more town up ahead too. I was just sitting there and I see this guy land right on top of them.
Holy shit. Try to show.
It's not focusing in, but we caught it through the binocular. He's just chilling. So it's really hard to take video because it's raining. There's a really cool eagle totem right here. And our ship is the front one docked, and there's a whole bunch of other ones. So we left to walk around, and we came back up before we go back down for our excursion. And
she came back? Oh!
That eagle was gone when we got down to the pier because we left. And we just came back. And we just looked a second ago, and she's back.
Because she loves us.
She loves us.
Just us.
And then when we leave, she'll probably leave too.
She'll be sad.
That's so cool. And it's raining, so I haven't really been able to video anything, but we're gonna go to a crab feast in about less than an hour.
From being in that salt water for a few years to or more, back to the freshwater streams here where they swim up. They quit eating before they do, and they have a very powerful instinct to swim.
Got hair on it? This is dessert. This is our crab tower between the four of us, which is pretty high.
All fine.
Theirs is pretty high.
Stop. Yeah. I thought we were doing good.
I know, right?
Nobody breathe.
You see what they're doing?
I saw that, yeah.
They're cheating. But they probably will win. I'm going to work on my cheesecake.
Turning on his windshield wipers on the boat. He turned on his windshield wipers
On the boat.
On the boat.
So this is what we're looking at. It's a little after 7 o'clock Alaskan time. And we were told that tonight, this evening, is prime whale watching time. So that we were not virtually guaranteed, but that it was highly likely that we'd see one, but it's so socked in. We've been up to the top decks. It's raining, and you can't be up there very long. And the second to the top deck, it's enclosed, but all the windows are fogged up. So this is actually better to try to spot this from our stateroom. But yeah, it's not doing too well. Let me flip around. So Tammy looks like a fisherman from the Great White North. So I'm gonna
Look at what's going on.
Oh yeah, we went shopping today in Ketchikan and bought matching sweatshirts. So we're gonna wrap it up for today, unless we see something, and if I can get my camera out fast enough to actually take pictures or video, I will. But if not, you guys have a good night. And tomorrow is Endicott Arm, which is a glacier, and after that. And we're going up on a tram and next to Mendenhall Glacier, so there'll be lots to film there. See you then.
Be a rock. It's just.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got
I was
excited
waiting
for
for
a
it
second.
to move.
What do you think is our rock? Yeah, it's not moving.
Well, it could have been. It could have been. It was in that shape. You could pretend.